our EVS class. Yes, today we are going to start a new chapter. That one is chapter 7, clothes we wear. So children, I have already discussed the three basic necessities of life of human being. They are your food, shelter and clothes. So food I have already taught you, and what are the various type of food, and shelter means houses, that one we have discussed in chapter 6. Now the third one is clothes, that one chapter 7, clothes we wear. Today we are going to read about it. Okay, so children, as we all know, we are living on the earth, and on this earth living things and non-living things are there, and the most important that human beings are the only living things on this earth who wear clothes. Yes children, all living things on this earth are not wearing clothes. Only the human beings, we people, used to wear clothes. Yes, it is important children. So children, why do we wear clothes? Yes, the various points are there. Let us discuss one by one. The first one, you see, the question is here, why do we wear clothes? The first one, to look good. Yes children, first one is to look good and smart. So children, we wear clothes to look good and smart, to look beautiful. You supposed to wear good clothes, nice dresses, so that if anyone will see you in dirty clothes, and if anyone will see you in bad body, then what will be the impression? To give wrong impression. So to look good and smart, we generally use clothes, and we put our clothes. Okay, so come to the next point. Next is to protect us from dust, insect bites. So children, this one is also important. If we will not wear clothes, we know many living things are there on this earth, and along with it, this within means this living things, mosquitoes, insects are there. If you will not wear clothes, then if you are outside at your home, then this insect will come and bite you and you will fall sick. So for to cover our body, we supposed to wear clothes. Okay, and the last one is, this one is to protect us from hot and cold wind and rain. Yes children, we are wearing and using the clothes to protect us from hot sun. We are using the things to protect us from hot sun, and also we are wearing different type of clothes to protect us from the cold and also from the rain. This one I will discuss in the next class. Okay, the main thing is we wear clothes to look good and smart, and to protect us from dust, insect bites and from other things. Okay, so children, we wear different types of clothes. Yes, so it is in your book, you can see. This, turn to page number 42, the activity 1. The different types of clothes are there. They are your shorts, jackets, socks, pants, frock, various types of clothes are there. We have made many types of clothes to look beautiful. When we will wear that one, we will look beautiful and good and smart. For that, we are wearing various type of clothes, and we also wear clothes as per the season and weather. Okay, so children, let me discuss. Earlier people, they used to cover their body. We generally wear clothes to cover our body, mainly to protect our body. We are wearing clothes. Main is we are wearing clothes to protect our body. After that, we look good and smart when we wear clothes, good clothes, and it also protect us from dust, insect bites, and also to protect us from hot and cold wind, and also from rain. So also children, we are wearing different types of clothes. It is there in your book, the picture is there, you can see. The in the page number 42, there are pants, shirts, caps, socks, shorts, t-shirt, skirt, frocks. This type of clothes we generally wear to look good and smart. And also children, as per the weather, as per the situation, we used to wear clothes. So children, our clothes should be comfortable, isn't it? use whatever you will wear, we should feel comfortable. So for it, various type of cloths are there. They are your woolen cloths, cotton cloths, and also various, with the use of various type of threads, we generally the people generally make cloth, and from that we make our dresses. Okay, so children, early people used to wear leaves of the tree and also skin of the animals to cover their bodies. Slowly they learned slowly they learned to make cloths using cotton, wool, leather and silk. So also children, different people wear different types of clothes to their workplace, just like doctors and nurses. Okay, their clothes are very neat and clean, and they are having separate clothes because they used to treat the sick people in the hospital. And so also children, the students used to wear uniform to the school. Okay, you have special type of clothes, they are called uniform, and all the students supposed to wear the same. That's why its name has been given uniform, means all are unique, means same. Okay, so also have this policemen are also having uniform. So children, so people, those who are going to work, they also having a separate type of clothes to wear, and that one is, some people, not all, they are called uniforms. Okay, so we need not to discuss these things because it is not in your book. The main thing is, why do you wear clothes? We wear clothes to look good and smart, and also we wear clothes to protect us from dust and insect bites. Next is we wear clothes to protect us from hot and cold winds and rain. This is the most important thing. And children, we wear clothes as per the season. That one we will discuss in our next class. Hope everyone understand this one. If you have any doubt, again we will discuss this one in our mid class. For now, bye. Have a nice day.